No, yeah. You take out the ballista. I'll just sit over here and kill actual enemies.
I did.
Hold left bumper.
Yeah.
And then move your right stick.
There's bad guys. What?
Yeah.
Okay. What do I do?
Oh, so that's your. It shows your enhancement. The thing you got, the earth splitter.
Oh, the earth splitter.
Yeah.
You mean this? That wasn't it.
That was a good one though. You tried.
But I can dash.
Like, okay, get.
I got a green.
Oh, there's a treasure chest down here.
I want it. Where are you?
I went to the left.
Oh, I went to the right.
I got a treasure chest. There's half your orbs. Are you happy?
Oh, thanks. I got him.
Yeah!
Oh, all I'm doing is dashing.
You can summon your horse.
Oh, I can. Not yet, though. I'm in battle. Oh,
Wait,
here's
is this where we started?
I don't know. Here's a box to do stuff.
Yeah, that was the summoning stone. How I summoned you.
Oh, we put that.
But now we can just get into the keep from here.
Okay, I need a horse. A war horse.
Ah! Nice. Whoa, da, da, da. Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, where'd I go?
You go up and to the left.
I was gonna take to the camera. I missed it.
Let's try it. Oh, you little shit.
Oh.
I just punted that guy off the edge. Nice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get off the horse.
Left and right bumper.
Boatman's coin.
Be careful. I don't want to climb back up. Well, yeah, just like that.
Well, yeah, just like that.
Oh,
where you going, buddy?
Get him.
Boom.
Oh, he died.
All right.
Hold A after a double jump to glide and ride air currents.
Gnarly, bro.
Jump A, hold. Ooh. Okay, I like it. What?
That looks like a stoppage. Oh, demon dogs. That spit fireballs.
Oh, get ready to be earth splitted.
More like earth mist.
Good one.
No, it wasn't.
No. That's okay, I can hit B and kick him in the tits.
I got a lot of these machine gun pistols. Get.
These guys don't stand a chance. Earth split.
Nice, good splitting.
Thanks. It was his earth that I split.
Ooh, another mysterious object. Okay, I do like the machine gun pistols. I don't like that it makes me stop shooting when they activate.
What is this? Oh.
This mission was dead. I don't know.
Me neither.
Nor do I. Perhaps the council trusts will make do, or the Tessans.
Horses. I mean, dogs.
Found the enforcers of the BALLISA. Test ordinance.
Red circles around these chumps.
It's like Dynasty Warrior status.
Yes.
Oh my god, they can't do anything against us on horses.
I think they were talking about something and I didn't really pay attention.
Something about Samael.
Anything good over here? Green, 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 gold, green.
Oh, I don't need those because I didn't lose life.
This horseback combat is sick.
This is gnarly. I love it.
Want some of this?
I don't know what I'm doing, but I like it. Oh, that's you.
You can't hurt me.
You are Strife.
Yeah.
Press RT when in range of Ghost Hook. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Ding!
Just hit buttons a lot and people die. Oh!
Oh! Oh, I hopped this guy's head and chopped his head off.
Nice!
Looks like a ladder of sorts.
Oh.
But you can fall to my bullets.
Oh, I gotta grab this thing. Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead and grab it.
Got it.
Good job.
Jump onto a something. Okay, here we go.
What are they doing?
Later, Dink. Oh my god, I'm so glad I grabbed that.
Come on, Chonky.
I was there first.
Got there. Yeah, no thanks. I'm down with pistols game.
What happened?
It says hold left bumper and press A to switch characters.
No, I am quite alright. Thank you. I can press B and curb stomp, so I'm happy.
This is a Sparta kick into nowhere.
Dash.
Oh no, not wood. Oh, these. Okay.
Mine. Well, what if I kicked you? Haha. Oh, it didn't work. Oh yeah? What if I did nothing because you got him?
It was good though.
I'm gonna split your earth. And then kick you.
Ding!
This is way too satisfying.
Right. Super pistols!
Dang. Nope. Nope. Oh, why didn't my B work?
Bad dog!
Oh!
Yeah, so you have different executions for each enemy.
Yeah.
Oh, fucker.
Grab him. Grab him. Oh, that's you.
I was doing the shooting.
Grabbing you.
Good stuff. Cool ammo.
Do I press it?
Charge shot. Yay! Fire a strong piercing bullet. Ooh. Can be charged up to 3 levels for increased shot power and size. Hot streak. All right. Oh, that's my super shooty bullets.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Get him. Oh, and so it automatically splits everything.
I like that. How do I refill my ammo, I wonder?
Get ammo.
How do I get ammo, I wonder?
Love it. Oh, I'm gone.
Do-do-do! 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 You almost had to climb back up. What is this? Boatman's. Oh, you already found one of those, didn't you?
Yeah.
What's it do?
Give it to the boatman.
What can you purchase?
Boats.
Ah! Okay. Okay. So
How do I jump down?
B is drop down?
Well,
What
we needed one step, I guess.
what in the ass butts just happened there?
Oh no.
I want to get the rest of those boatman coins. Oh god!
That was scary.
That was weird and I did not enjoy it.
Keep that a box.
Oh, you can like triangle jump off the wall.
Oh, okay.
Hee-haw!
Yeah, I need a box.
Someday I'll get to the angle where I can hit them. Ah, just kidding. Slice them open.
No, no, no.
You damage them by literally running over them. It's so great.
Does your throat hurt? You look a bit hoarse.
Another mysterious object falling from an enemy pulses and.
What? I don't know what happened. They have horsed off the edge.
Oh, you pulled a twitchy.
It's enough horsing around.
Wait, which way do we go?
Horseward.
Wait.
Oh. You can run off the edge. Just a heads up.
I'm gonna pony up some confidence there. Okay, hold on. Because there's another place to go back here.
mustache.
Look at it. See, this looks like a secret.
No, I died.
Did you do this?
Yeah, I did. No, I didn't.
That's fair.
I'm trying! Okay.
What's that weapon called?
A ballista?
Nice!
Thank you.
You may keep your nerd card for now.
Oh, you're about to get Earth Splight.
Splight! Oh, okay, charge shot is pretty slick. No, yeah. You take out the ballista. I'll just sit over here and kill
okay.
actual enemies.
I did. What's this thing? A busted ass ballista? Then
That doesn't hit back, Bruce Lee.
Hey, I did good.
No, I'll just open the treasure chest. You just stand there and let that guy hit me. Appreciate it.
Yeah, sorry. Thought you were good at games.
I can't do two things at once,
Can't
Claude.
do one thing at once.
I opened the chest, that's one thing.
No.
Don't ninja nobody.
Don't need ninja. Alright.
What was that?
A ballista.
No little orange thing?
What?
Oh, okay, maybe I'm crazy.
Yeah. Dash. Oh.
Oh, we're defeating Fleamag, Shrieking the Duty, and Deathrend.
Duty.
Ah! Toodly doodles.
Okay, so we're fleabagging some doodles. What?
We're killing fleabags that are shrieking their duty.
I gotta get it.
Whoa, no. Okay. You can,
I thought we went here before.
Okay, we did, we just turned back.
Oh, wait, a suck.
That was perfect. See, I'm being cautious, and I got the trickster. You fell again.
Do I have to go out there?
No, because I got the trickster key.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, shit.
Alright. Oh, you're back this way.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Wait a minute.
Grab him.
Now where do we go? Oh, I found something. So if you hold down, if you push left bumper, see, like, I have Shadow Clone. Whoa! I'm not even happy. That's way cooler.
That's awesome!
Fucking little Naruto clone dork.
Can't wait to use that.
That's what takes the yellow bar off the top.
Oh, I can only do it twice?
And you probably refill it by doing...
Okay, I can't do it anymore. Find me yellows.
Oh, I wonder if those yellow orbs were picking up. Fill that.
Dash.
Where are we going? Is there a
Kill
map?
Samuel.
Aha. Okay, there's a map. Okay, where are we?
Does check mark mean good?
Oh,
Let's go.
this feels very backwards.
Whoop. That wasn't the right way.
Thank you for finding it, though.
Yeah, we're this guy. That's me, the big ass sword.
No, that was there already.
No. So
That's
we're
but then that's a summoning
here-ish.
stone.
Let's go here and see if we can jump.